Hi there! If your Twitter impressions suddenly dropped and your tweets are barely reaching anyone, it might feel like you've been shadow banned. But before jumping to conclusions, here's how to check and what to do next. Step 1. Check your shadow ban status by visiting the Circleboom Shadowban Checker. It's a free tool. Enter your Twitter username and hit search. This will instantly tell you if your tweets are being hidden in search results, replies, or timelines. If you are shadow banned, don't worry. There's a guide to help you clean things up. But if you're not shadow banned, it likely means your tweets are going out at the wrong times. Step 2. You're probably posting at the wrong time. Even great tweets can flop if no one's around to see them. To find out when your audience is actually online, go to Circleboom Twitter and open the Best Time to Tweet feature under the Analytics tab. You'll get a personalized heat map that shows your top engagement windows based on real-time follower activity. This is your tweet timing cheat code. Step 3. Schedule tweets for maximum reach. Now that you know your best posting times, head over to the X Post Planner on Circleboom. Create your tweet and use the AI tweet generator to improve it. Click Schedule. And here's another bonus. Circleboom also lets you cross-post your tweet automatically to LinkedIn, Blue Sky, Threads, and Facebook at the same time. This multi-platform publishing increases your overall visibility without extra effort. Select one of the top engagement time slots, which Circleboom automatically pulls from your heat map. You're done. Now your tweets will reach more people because they're scheduled to go live when your audience is active. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart social media growth tips. Happy Circlebooming!